We will follow the case. Wherever we go, we will follow them. I'm so glad with Erasmus, for Swanepoel. I'm so glad in the position they put the case. And I'm so happy. I'm so glad to, as a nation, come far and we meet, connect one another wherever we go.
We did not find justice. You know, the court may go on, but Jocelyn is not yet found. When I enter court, and when Kelly entered the court room, my emotions struck up high. You know, this is very traumatizing. Even it's not my child, but working with missing persons for over 21 years, going out, every case is a challenge, but this case, I'm telling you, we've been by parents yesterday whose children been missing for 13 and for 6 years. But that people is so traumatized. But Kelly shows no remorse.
Ouers kan nie dit aanvang met die kinders elke keer nie. Oh no, en dan wil hulle soelik, hulle wys nie emosie nie. Nou en haar is kat hy gaan nie eens gepark met my nie. So al wat ek net voel, Judge Erasmus moet terugkom Kaap toe. Hy moet vir Sultana besigheid aflos en dan hy moet hy vir hulle hier straf.
We don't know where Jocelyn is. They don't even speak. So for them not speaking, I think Judge Erasmus is doing well. And justice will be served because none of them want to talk. And for that, they guilty.